I'm Kelly Francis, and I'm a student in Idiom 310 at the University of South Alabama. And today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to use a SMARTBoard. So what you want to do is you want to start by hitting the power button. When it's green, you know that it's on, it's good to go. When all this loads up, like a computer screen, you'll hit the question mark button on this little bar, and you'll hit Orient SMARTBoard. And what this does is this calibrates it. You hit each of these little crosses, and it basically just shows the screen that you're going to be working with the text. And there's kind of a lot of them, so it takes just a few minutes. And then you'll X off of here. And then what you need to do is you need to come over here to the Smart Notebook and double click. Make sure you use your fingers and not the pen, because we learned that the hard way. It takes a second to load up, but this is the notebook that you'll be using to do all of your work on, all of your text, all of your objects you'll work with. They're all in here. So, then what you need to do is you need to come back over to this little sidebar. You can click any of these pens. This is a highlighter, obviously. That's an eraser. It's just a good little shortcut menu. But I'm going to hit the black pen, and then you can hide the text again. And then I'm going to pick up the black pen and use it. And I'm going to start with writing my name. I have my name written, and then you can do all kinds of cool things with it. You can, once it's selected, you can turn it around, upside down, flip it backwards. You can make it bigger. I can expand my name, or I can make it smaller. Any of those good things. You can even, if you select it again, this and go to Recognize Kelly. It makes it into a text. You can also go down here to the keyboard button on your bar, which is a little keyboard. Click that and you can type it in like here. Forgot my K again. I've done that like 40 times today. But there's always a backspace button. And then you just X off. And that's my name again. So you have that. You can do anything with text there. You could also change font, all that good stuff. Let's see. If we wanted to work with any kind of shapes, you would, first of all, hit that again. Go down here to the Shapes button. Say I want to do a lesson with kindergartners or preschoolers on knowing their shapes. So I have a heart. I'm just going to touch the screen. You can make it big. Also, you can, let's see, hit, I hit the pen, right, to do infinite corner, is that right? Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you hit the pen again. And now you're going to not do that. Let's see. Erase. Hey, it's a learning process, for sure.
Do you have to right-click the heart?
Yes, you do. You right-click. Thank you. Right-click, hit the arrow, and you hit what's called infinite cloner. And then on the outer edge of the line of the shape, you touch it, and it clones an exact replica of each shape. Now, say I wanted to try to get kids to guess what shape this is. I'll go back to the text, and I'm going to write the word heart. And then what you can do is you can go to hide. You're going to be hiding the text. So let's say I was like, okay, class, we're going to do a lesson on shapes today. And we have this shape right here. Does anybody want to guess what it is? Is it a triangle? No. Is it a star? No. Wait, what was that? You're right. It's a heart. See, it's perfect for revealing answers to kids. and then you can just hit that again and it goes away. Okay, now, if we were doing a lesson on sounds, you would need to go to multimedia, which is multimedia is...
Is it the picture frame?
Yes, thank you. Interactive and multimedia. Okay, doing a lesson on music. Insert a notebook. And you can also, my favorite part is the sound effects. What sound does a guitar make? Well, it doesn't want to play today, I don't think. That's okay though, because we have a lot more to choose from. Let's see. Let's scroll down and see what we can find here. It's also good for animal lessons because there are a few animal sounds on here that you can make. Oh, here we go. Here's my favorite. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. What got all our sound going here? Let me try this. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's see if we can get some sound from the speaker. No?
I think you have to drag and drop it from the other menu.
Like insert multimedia?
Yes.
Just drag the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
You are right. Now let's see if we can get some sound. Everybody hear that? It's scary. So you get the idea. Now let's see if we can get our guitar the same way. Just because I think it'll make it more fun if you have more objects to pick from. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, so you guys get the idea. What else can we do? Okay, so let's say that you were trying to do a lesson from a website, and I'm going to use an example and go to the USA college website. Let's say you're working with older students, and they're having a hard time knowing where to go to on the menu for something. So what you can do is you can actually highlight things, you can write on things. Say I was trying to help kids learn how to register for classes next semester. You can start by going to current students. If I also wanted to show them something else, I could say you could go to USA Home. So as you can tell, there's a lot of different things you can do with this website. Prospective students. Trying to show kids about any type of website. If I wanted to highlight something, if I wanted to point arrows, if I wanted to write whatever, I can use this for this reason also. So then, what you can normally do is hit File and then hit Save Ink. But this SMARTBoard won't let us do that, so what we can do is we go up here to Smart Ink and we capture. Now, what you're going to do then is go back to your SMARTBoard. Perfect. It's here. So I can use it. It's saved. I have it on my file, ready to use whenever I need to. And that's pretty much the basics. So any other questions? We'll see you next time.